guys, so right now we're pretty much leaving the hotel. I'm an Uber driver there. Alright, so my Uber driver is here. I'm gonna show you guys who she is. Just got into my Uber. You feel me? What's up, Uber driver?
Hey, what's up?
You speak patois?
Yeah, man.
Ah,
where you go? Where you go?
You know, said carry go to downtown.
What?
Downtown.
Downtown.
My side. This is what I've been waiting for the whole entire day. Yo. Eh? No, dog, this is good.
I say your auntie cook. When she really want to eat.
I'm about to mess this up. I know they're expensive. I call it again avocado from over so Mexican style. I'll review it. Alright, so you don't know. Plate accessorize. View it. Make you know what I'm going. Where's the body shape, Mish?
Oh, but this shot.
Nice, no?
Oh my gosh.
Real deal.
That's some very good.
Shrimp tastes good, though.
Nice and pepper.
Turn up, man.
No means to get them up here.
Nice.
Yes. In package, man. International shipping. Another package that you buy for you.
No, like when people come up and we package it for them. Yeah.
I make it moist.
It's really good, man. This is always something else that people like carrying up from Jamaica, the patties them. Which I didn't know that you could get it in two different varieties, which is the baked and the unbaked. You guys can drop a comment, let me know which ones you guys know to carry up, because I don't know which one is better. If it's the baked ones or the unbaked ones. Like my aunts weren't so happy with the baked ones. But better than nothing still. Always I get the best from yard, original. Can never beat the original. You have ice cream?
Yeah, we have no cold cream.
That's a vanilla. So right now we're there on the street and them walk like they want me now, but you see 2 meters Jamaican, a real natural born Jamaican. Remember me tell you, Jesus, you don't have arthritis. Alright guys, so we are pretty much here in ShopRite. I realized that I never even gave the intro to the video. Welcome back to Stuck in Foreign. I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So I'm gonna try to find this thing they call some Jamaican jerk rice. I don't know if they have it. I'm gonna try to find out really quick. Maybe I can do a video on it. I don't even know. Alright guys, so we're in the international aisle trying to find the jerk rice, but there's no jerk rice. So I don't know, maybe it's somewhere else. But I'm gonna try again and search on Amazon and see if I can find it. But I don't know. This is a very random vlog today. Yo, Jamaica is so messed up. Like when I bought ribs, maybe this amount was for about this price. Look at all that. Shano. So pretty much I'm here. I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna cook for dinner. So I'm gonna make shrimp pasta, Alfredo pasta. So my aunt was like, you know what milk you guys want? What kind of milk you said today? Lactate milk.
Well, I need lactate milk because I'm lactose intolerant.
I feel you. So we're gonna get some like heavy cream. Yeah. Heavy whipping cream, that's fine.
Oh, this is heavy cream too.
Which one is the better value?
This one?
Yeah, this is bigger. Okay, good.
And it's only like less than $1 more, and it's like 2 times.
Yeah, but do you guys cook with it very often? That's the thing.
Nope.
Because I'm not gonna be using all of this for sure. Go with quality on this one. So yeah guys, we just can't seem to find that rice. I mean that rice has been getting like some really bad reviews. I think it would have been really funny to do a video on it. But I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see about it, but I don't know yet. This should be pretty interesting. It's been a while since I cooked for my mom. I'm sure she's gonna tell me like I could have added something to it like she normally does. So let's see, man. Alright, so we just reached Pakini, isn't it? I like black grown people, you know, but just reach back here, I got do some shrimp now, you see me? When I make the shrimp, I like make it with the start it with raw, you see me? Because anytime you use a pre-cooked one, it tastes like rubber. I don't like that. We're gonna work with some of Judah favorite spice. I should dash out. Alright, it's a simple thing my side, this season up already, so that's done. Cut up some bread for the with the garlic bread, you see me? Heat up some water for the pasta. 1, 2. Getting my olive oil with butter, real hot. Throw these bad boys in right quick. Here's Zimi. I'm not gonna do all of them because I like when they get done proper. Here's Zimi. Everybody must get them fair share, fair time to shine. It's kind of funny how when shrimp hits the hot oil, how it gets like really red. Kind of strange but funny. Gonna be things soon done over here, so isn't it? Guys, they're in the kitchen at pressure, make me feel nervous. Pretty much I mix up everything together now, isn't it? Tossing everything together and we're gonna be good. Pasta shot. You come out the pasta, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Real homemade sauce and things.
It's just a thing allergic. Wait. Begin to bite.
Parmesan on it here.
But this have mozzarella cheese in it already.
Yeah, but you have to add the Parmesan on it, man. Better too.
Come back with turds. You know, see how my shirt look about me on diet.
Why pasta need? Every time I tell my mom, tell me say I need something. I need. You know, you good? Alright. Always